Welcome. So I want to give you one tip that will guaranteed drastically improve the amount of people that come to your site and buy a service off of you if you're a local business. Because you might be getting a lot of traffic, a lot of leads, but they're not buying. And so with this one local SEO tip, I'm going to tell you how you can basically convert more of the traffic coming into your site into actual buyers. So let's break it down. Now, this little tip stems from adding a little one line of code to your site. By the way, quick tangent here, I recorded these two local SEO videos courses on my channel. This is a 2-hour course. This is a 40-minute course. The reason why I'm mentioning this is because yes, the tip that I'm about to tell you is very valuable, but SEO and local SEO in specific is a complex subject. And so yes, this tip can do a lot of things for you, but if you want to actually improve your SEO, your local SEO in specific, and actually rank and get more clients, please do watch these videos again. They're all free, by the way, all for free here on YouTube. I'll link them down below. But please watch this and don't just watch it. Actually apply the stuff that I teach you in there, because applying it is going to be the difference between seeing success or not. Okay, so moving on again to what this actual tip is. Now, I need to give you a bit of context. So the thing with SEO is, right, people come to your site, right? But a lot of them just jump off of it because your site isn't engaging enough, even if we're talking about a local business. So even if someone's typing plumber in Dallas, electrician in whatever place, so service type business, or plastic surgery in NYC, right? People come to your site after searching for a high buying intent keyword. And what a high buying intent keyword is essentially someone searching for their pain point, right? Someone searching for 24-hour plumber, right? You know that someone searching for 24-hour plumber, most likely they're looking to call in for a 24-hour plumber, right? Now, for example, if someone's searching for price to fix a toilet, or price to fix a broken pipe in my kitchen, or price of a rhinoplasty, right? These people are still in the discovery phases, right? Again, someone searching for where can I do a plastic surgery in New York City, right? Is much more later down the line of the funnel than someone searching, for example, for before and afters, for price, right? Again, all these people are still, again, interested in buying, but some of them are more down the funnel here, being that when they reach the funnel, they give you money, right? Someone searching for what is a plastic surgery, they're up here, right? Someone searching for example, before and after the surgery, or how much does it cost, they're here, right? Someone searching, for example, for where can I do, or clinic to do rhinoplasty, most likely they're already here, because they already know what it is, right? They already looked most likely for before and afters, or for pricing, right? And they're looking for the clinic, so they're lower down the funnel, okay? That being said, right, it's impossible. Ideally, we'd capture all these people, right? But we also want to capture as many of these people as possible, because there's more of these people than these ones. There's more people on the top of the funnel, right, trying to figure out what it is, how it works, the pricing, the do's and don'ts, than there is people down here, okay? Now, this applies to any single local business, whether that's plumbing, electrical work, drainage, you name it, right? Lawyers, right? A lot of these local businesses apply this strategy too. Now I'm going to show you a way in which you can capture, because most likely you're already capturing all this traffic. If not, just watch these videos. But assuming you're already capturing a bunch of different traffic, meaning people on the top of the funnel, people in the middle of the funnel, and people down the funnel, right? I want to show you how to convert more of these people right here and how not to lose them, because these ones most likely you won't lose, right? Again, they're so down the funnel that if they reach your site, most likely they're just going to call you, right? But focusing on these people right here, because they represent a big part of your traffic, I want to show you how to grab them. So here's an example and why this code, snippet of code is valuable. So let's say, for example, I own a plumbing business, right? And a lot of people come to my site by searching for how much does it cost to fix a toilet? How much does it cost for a plumber in this city, right? They're looking for a cost. And so what you can do with this little line of code is implement these free tools in your site. Here's what I mean. Don't necessarily look at the blog post. The blog post isn't relevant for this, but imagine this is a blog post on my plumbing site about plumbing, right? I can add in the middle of the article, or even on my homepage if I want, right? This little widget right here, this little tool, right? That in this case I made this custom, and I'll show you how to make it custom for your business, right? That says get instant quote, right? But first it tells me to plug in here a prompt, right? It suggests to say my toilet is clogged, how much to charge for it. So let's say, for example, my kitchen pipes broke. How much does your company charge? And so this is an interactive little tool clients or potential clients that come into your site can actually use, right? And then when they click get instant quote, and by the way, you can customize all this, it gives them a reply, right? Thank you for reaching out regarding your broken pipes. Our plumbing company estimates the cost to fix it will issue range between $150 and $400, depending on the extent of the damage and necessary repairs. Please contact us for a more accurate assessment. So in essence, right, this little tool, you give the client, the potential client, gives it an input, clicks get instant quote, and our AI gives you a reply. Now you'll see here that there's this little box as well right here that prompts them, yes, as to sign up or to get more details, right? Yes, send me an email to get more details. So you can have the client put in their email right here, and you can change the name of the button to say get quote or get in touch, right? The point of this is to make it interactive, in make your traffic interact with your business. And this is not only super different from anything else that everyone else is doing out there, but it creates this amazing feeling in the customer because they know what they're in for. And you can customize all this. You can customize a prompt. You can tell it, for example, if I go here and say, and I'll show you how to do this. If I just say, this is what my prompt, by the way. If I say, don't use more than 10 words, let me just hit, actually, let me just do this. Don't even give this, do this. Right? So you're a plumbing company, based on the user's input, give them an estimate cost to fix their issue, be extremely concise. I won't even add this, right? Give them a value range in USD. So I'm just gonna hit save right now and go back to my tool right here. Oh, don't worry about all this stuff. This is just a preview site, so it looks a bit weird. So going back to the tool again, right? If I say the same prompt again, let's just do my toilet is clogged now, right? Because I removed I stopped telling him to be concise, now the prompt is much bigger. Now, I'm not sure if you wanna do this, you even bolded up the value, right? You can, if you want to add a bit more context. Again, this tool is for a plumbing business. And by the way, I can disable if you don't want to capture the emails, I can just disable, I actually want to show you first. Yeah, I can disable this right here, right? Hit save changes. And now I won't capture any emails. So if you don't want to capture emails, you don't have to, okay? So just know that it is optional. Let me just do a change right here, okay? Going back to the tool. So my toilet is clogged, boom. So I can just give them a response, boom, there you go. We charge $100 fix unclogging, excuse me. Now it was a bit more shorter because I changed the prompt. And so again, these tools give the user information, right? And again, you can build tools for anything you want, right? So if I go here to magnets again, create a magnet, I can do a plastic surgery, I can do calculators, right? I can do mortgage calculators. I can do car financing calculators. So let's say, for example, you have a car stand where you sell cars, used cars, right? You have all the listings for your cars, and on the side you have like a calculator that people can introduce in their. And actually, I'll show you this, right? I did this already, right? I did this for a car. This is like a blog post about cars, about Tesla. Should I buy a Tesla? It's my first car, and I added it down here a calculator on getting free advice on insuring my first Tesla. So I put it here how many years my Tesla was driven, my age, and any past crashes, and it gave me advice on it. I can also do calculators for financing. So how much money I have saved up, how much money the car costs, and what will be my monthly payment. And like users that come into your site looking at used cars can actually, even before even calling you, know how much their car payment would be like. And then you can even collect their emails and email them about car financing options. So there's a lot you can do here. And by the way, the emails get collected and go here into the leads tab. And so again, the power of this little piece of code, right, is that you can basically interact with your audience and collect and give them info right on there. Just imagine any local business, maybe a lawyer, right? You have like a prompt there where users can actually interact with your business. It's much more of a one-on-one experience. And again, you can build these tools, these widgets for anything you want. Mortgage calculators, meal plans. For example, if your business is selling meal plans door to door, you can have like a meal plan maker, like a schedule maker on your site using this. Again, so valuable. And at the same time, you're collecting emails, so you can then retarget leads. So again, this tip, I generally think that will drastically increase the number of leads that you get from your local SEO efforts. Firstly, because most people don't really do this, right? They don't really interact with their audience, which I don't know why. Because again, this stuff is also kind of new. AI is also kind of new. So I think that you should just apply this stuff and embrace this new technology. I think it's going to be a very good idea. Now, I also expect more and more people as the years go by, as the months go by, implementing these AI interactive sort of tools, sort of widgets into their sites, because I mean, it's just works great. Again, note that I know this tip works, but please, if you need more context, more help, go watch this course. It's a 2-hour course on local SEO, and this one a 40-minute course on local SEO breaks down like how to get reviews and a bunch more like nitty-gritty stuff, because again, like I said, SEO is a complex subject. And even though this can work, please watch all this up as well. By the way, you can try this out for free. Just go to tryjournalist.com, give it a go. You can create them, you can embed them. There's settings, you can change all the things around. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help. Or click here the support tab, and we'll answer you any questions you might have about this. And by the way, since you stick so far, if you use the code SECRET10, you get 10% off of your journalist subscription. Excuse me. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you at the next one. Please give this a go. I can assure you, you will be very impressed. That's it. Cheers.